What's up with the damn gang? It's your girl Destiny back at it with another video. I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm back and it's not gonna be nothing that special today because it's a Sunday and let me tell y'all what we're doing today. So I was gonna end up going to get some seafood or something because I was supposed to get it yesterday, but my mama took my car. And I ain't even gonna tell y'all the whole story on that. I'm just let y'all know today we're gonna be washing my car. So yeah, it's gonna be a video of me washing my car, getting some stuff from Walmart, to clean the inside of my car and stuff. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and yeah, we're gonna get it done. So why did I just start talking like that? But yeah, y'all, we're gonna get that mug done. Let's go. I wish I could tell y'all the whole story, but I ain't about to waste my time. Like, just know this car need to be clean. It could have been prevented for a little bit longer. Well, the outside bin needs to be clean, but the inside. Let's go, y'all. So, y'all, we're outside of Walmart right now, as y'all can see. It don't matter. We outside of Walmart. So, yeah, y'all. I'm about to go in here and get some cleaning stuff for the inside of my car. And then we're going to go find a car wash and get it done. So, let's go. Right now, I'm walking through Walmart, as y'all can see. Trying to look for the car stuff. I know I'm on the wrong side. I think I got to be on this side that I'm going. Everybody looking at me. So, yeah. Looking. I think this is the L I'm looking for. I'm looking for some 303 multi-cleaner thing. I seen it online, y'all. I seen it online, but I'm not seeing it here. I'm not seeing it. I seen something like this somebody was using, but this, I don't want it. I don't want to get that tough stuff. What is this? Multi-purpose foam cleaner. Oh, y'all, this might work. We're gonna try this. Well, if I don't find what I'm looking for, we're gonna try this. That was the only aisle that it was on. And where I'm going now, this look like for the inside of your car stuff. Y'all see that? All of that. That's for the fuel and stuff. So I think where I was is the only place where the stuff at that I was looking for. Let's go right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go with this, y'all. Even though I didn't want to, I really wanted them wipes. I wanted them wipes. That seemed way easier. And they said that they had it whenever I looked online. It said Walmart had them. Wow. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if it's something else. Multi-cleaner, interior cleaner. This is something like it, but it's still the spray. I wanted wipes. I guess that's not really a big deal, right? Oh, there's some wipes right here, though. I don't see a multi-purpose one. Super Shine wipes, natural wipes. I don't see multi-purpose. Oh, I ain't even got the camera with me. I multi-purpose wipes yet. So yeah, y'all. I think I am gonna have to go with this one. Okay. We're going with this one. Almost forgot to video this. Right now we're at the car wash. About to wash the outside of my car. I end up going with a different little spray. See this, the OxiClean. I end up going with this because it had a little brush. So we're gonna see how that is. I don't know if I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do the $7 wash because they really ain't no difference, y'all. So if y'all thought that they'd be a difference with you paying more, it's really the same thing. It ain't getting no cleaner. Shit, I learned that. But yeah, y'all, we about to go through this car wash and then we're gonna clean the inside of the car. Let's go. We need to. My stuff with come on. Why my gate not opening? Okay. I guess I gotta wait. They did it first. But I know I better be open next. Okay. I was about to say, come on. Don't be beeping. I don't know who they were beeping at, but hey, don't be beeping. I'm gonna come back whenever we in the front. Gosh, y'all, I'm so mad. I was supposed to show y'all a before and after on my car. So I guess I'm not gonna be able to show y'all the outside because I'm already going through the freaking car wash. Well, I'm not going through there yet, but I'm in line. As y'all can see, I'm in line for the car wash. But I totally forgot. I'm so upset. I told myself that I was gonna stop, but once I seen this line, I was like, I might as well just pull in the line because shit, y'all, it is packed. I'm trying to tell you, everybody trying to get their car washed today. It is packed. But yeah, y'all. Do y'all like my hair? This is the first time in a minute that I did it like this. This is a full sew in, and then at the top part, I just glued in some tracks. Do it look like my hair, y'all? Because it's not. It look like it's glued into my scalp. We're gonna be the next ones, you guys. This is the wash. We're getting her cleaned. It didn't put that much water on it. But hey, we're gonna see how the after look is, even though we don't know the beginning. I'm so mad I didn't take the picture, y'all. But it's okay. I'm gonna see if I can find. I'm not gonna be able to because I haven't took a picture of my car. out. Let's see how this look. How the outside of my car is looking. People leaving good. I don't know what they got going on. You're not gonna... What are you doing? No, they waiting for somebody. Like, come on. Shit. Go look for somewhere else. You dumb? Are you dumb? We're gonna see how this car look. Is it worth the $7? We're gonna see. Let's see. It ain't no spots. Shit, I thought it was some spots. God damn it. The fuckery, huh? Well, I guess we gotta wait for somebody to come out. It's no freaking spots. And yeah, y'all, I'm trying to wash this, clean the inside of my car, and there's no spots at all. Oh, somebody's leaving out. Go ahead, go ahead. Yes, I'm happy. We got a spot, y'all. Go ahead, go ahead. They gonna be mad at me because I'm gonna take a minute cleaning this car out. So let's clean this. You like doing this. I like hand washing my shit. The sides look alright. And my windows still look dirty. We're about to start cleaning the inside. Y'all, look at this. Look at this bullshit. The clothes is dirty as shit. I ain't gonna hold you. But watch this transformation though. Do you see? That's a mess. Like, what's up? Feel like we're barely taking up anything. I don't like this section. I wish I had my my camera holder, my phone holder, so it'd be easier to video y'all, cause I'm not getting nothing. Okay, y'all, after I'm done, and whenever I get to starting to put the scrub on, because trying to vacuum out this car is not working, and holding this phone. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I guess that's how you do it, y'all. So let it sit for about 20 seconds, stay safe. Okay, I'm gonna start scrubbing now. I don't like this one. shit is hard to scrub up. I wish this little stupid top could come off. You can tell it's dirty though. Look at that. Oh my god. It do smell good. Ooh, my arm tired, y'all. I can't wait to see the difference on the back seat. This manager that worked for the car wash, he seen me washing my car and cleaning out my car, and he gonna come over talking about I can get some free car washes. He'll let me go through for free because I look good and all that other stuff, and he'll help me clean my car. Yeah. Hey, I'm happy he trying to let me go through the car wash a couple of more times. I am happy about that. So yeah, y'all already seen how it looked. Like it wasn't cleaned at all. The bottom and the back part still had shit all over it. So we're gonna see how it look. And he was talking about hand drying it after I get out this next car wash. So we're gonna see how this car looking after I get done going through the car wash again. Let me show y'all my seats real quick. I showed y'all a before of my seats, and I'm almost done with them. So look. Oh, my butt's wet. I haven't finished my doors. See, they look kinda different, but I don't think I did it that good, y'all. I really don't know what I'm doing. This is definitely a man's job. Okay, I'm in the second wash. Y'all see, this dude just had paid. Well, he ain't paid because he said he the manager, so whatever. Yeah, he just got them to do my car again. And as we speak, I'm going through the car wash once again. So let's see how it look after this, and if it was worth it. Well, not really worth it because I'm getting it for free, but let's see how it's gonna be, and if it's gonna be a difference since he helped wash it. Yeah, because he was out there helping, but I don't think there's gonna be a difference. We'll see though. Told me to damn loud. Ooh, oh y'all, this something different. Okay, alright. He said I can come and get my car washed as much as I want. So hey y'all, if y'all need y'all car washed, hit me up. Comment down below. I'm so done. I'm done with myself. Y'all don't listen to me. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, the front kinda cleaner, y'all. Look at that. Now he hand washing my car. Yeah, that's the dude that like me. He hand washing my car. You said you gonna take care of me. Y'all. I deserve that right. I deserve something.
Shit for like ugly girls, you know?
You want to not be taken care of?
Yeah, to be doing all this.
I
mean, it's okay if you just want to, but
I don't.
Want to do all this.
I was just gonna say I don't want to.
You don't got to, I got you.
Thank you. Look at you.
Whenever you need anything, just call me, I got you. You don't even got to be no car wash.
Look, anything? Oh, yo, they calling you. Good.
He was just telling me about to go on break.
Oh.
I don't care if niggas go on break whenever they want.
Sure. Let me come work up here. It looks way better. Let me find out somebody had hit my car last night. Scratched my car.
You want me to get that off?
How you can get that out?
I'll tell you I'm going to take care of you, Dylan. You want me to get it off or not?
Yeah.
I ain't trying to get no money.
Huh?
I just want you. I don't want no money. If you need something, let me know.
Okay. I remember you said that.
You know how many people that tried to give you?
This man is continuing to do stuff for me. Like, he just gave me some, like, car smell good cleanup stuff. Like, some car smell good. And now, he about to clean my tires. I mean, he about to, now he about to clean my tires. Y'all, I do not look that good. I'm not that cute. Like, but he wouldn't do all this for me? Go ahead. So, we about to get our tires cleaned. And then we go see how the car is looking. She's looking right, y'all. I am happy with the turnout. No stains on my seat. No stains. Like, the outside looks good. I can go through again if I wanted to get my front clean, but I think I'm gonna wait. Go another day. Yeah, y'all, I was not expecting to be up here that long. It's 1 going on 2 o'clock, and I came up here at 10. So I've been up here for about 2-3 hours. Yeah, been up here for about 2-3 hours, and I really want to smoke, but it's alright. Let's go. See, people gonna see you doing all this and be like, oh my goodness.
So it's so good. I think you need a man.
You say you think I need a man?
I'm always gonna look like this.
Yeah. It looks a mess. Well, it looked a mess. Past tense.
I can get you some things too for your wheels.
What, some, like the hubcap item here?
Bro, do you know how many people things I be finding in there at night? I just throw them all over and lost and found. Even when they call me and be like, did you find my stuff? Like if they don't be like, I got $5 for you or something, like, I'm not gonna go through no extra shit, bro.
Yeah.
Like they be want me to do it like they don't pay us extra.
What?
They gonna want me to do some extra and they not gonna give me no money, I'm not gonna do it.
Like you ain't speaking my language.
I was like, sir, I wasn't here yesterday. I don't know. I didn't find it.
So you have to ask someone else.
Or I can just buy you some. They don't really cost that much. It's not that bad. You said nobody gonna take care of you. I don't want you to not get took care of. Like you way too fine and not be get took care of.
I'm okay.
Like, man, you're tripping, man.
I'm okay.
Like most girls, they might like have a little shape, but like you cute too.
I about to say I ain't got my shape no more.
Shit, I like it. It looked good to me when I was watching you on the camera.
You was like, that's how. I was like, I didn't see nobody.
Yeah. It's a camera like right there. You parked right up under there, huh? I've been sitting in my chair. Watching you in your car.
It was a nice little show.
I mean, at least I told you I was watching.
Yeah.
It ain't like you didn't know.
Oh my goodness. Right. You let me know.
You can take your pictures now.
You said, huh?
So you can take your pictures now. It look better now with your time.
My car is clean. I took pictures of it so y'all could see the outside. He did the most. But he cool people. I'm not gonna lie. He cool people. Is he my type? Not really, but hey. He's still cool. And I can let him do some stuff for me. Not use them, but I'm not gonna use them, but hey, he did that, y'all. He was like, if you need anything, let me know. I got you. That's what he kept saying. Like, I ain't gonna just hit you up when I need something like I'm a gold digger or I'm just trying to use you, even though that sounds good. But thank you. He was talking about going out to eat today, y'all. Do I want to? If you talking about getting some seafood. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm so childish. I'm so silly. But I'm finally done with my car. I'm about to head to the house. Heading to the house. My car smells so good. It feels so good and refreshing in here now. Like, y'all, I'm happy I did this. Even though I was mad. Even though I was mad about my mama freaking throwing up in my car. And fucking up my shit. She clean now. Stormy's clean now, y'all. It smelled like a whole new car. I ain't gonna hold you. My car smelled like a whole new car. And she looked so good. So good. I can't wait for y'all to see. But that's really the end of this video, y'all. After I show y'all the pictures and everything of my car, that's gonna be the end of it. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so y'all can be notified for when I make another lit ass video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Oh, I would have been mad if I wasted it and I just cleaned my car. Damn, bitch. I gotta pee now. Am I cute, y'all? Do I look cute today? Put in the comment box below if I look cute. Hair on fleek if y'all like my hair. Put in the comment in the comment box below that y'all like my hair. I did it myself. Woo woo woo. Full sew in, gluing at the top. I think I told y'all that already, but just in case if I didn't, I'm telling y'all now. This is 22, 20, and 18 inch. 22, 20, and 18 inch hair. It goes all the way down. Yeah, y'all. I think I want to, if they got them, I think I want to go ahead and get some chicken sandwiches again. Go and get some chicken sandwiches. I think that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. Y'all, I really want to start doing YouTube more. I know I say this every single time, but it makes me mad whenever I look and I haven't videoed in a minute. And it's about to be a whole freaking week that I posted another video. And it's like I do one a week. I'm consistent on one a week, but I'm trying to do at least 2 to 3 a week. See, it's hard. It's really harder. It's easier said than done is what I'm trying to say. It's easier said than done. I be trying to do like at least 2-3 videos a week, but I always end up busting out one damn video, and that shit is irking. But shit, at least I'm getting stuff out, right? At least I'm coming out with stuff for y'all. Is it just the funny stuff that I want? No, it's like some stuff that I just do on a daily basis, which this channel is stuff that I do on a daily basis. It's like an everything in one. So yeah. Oh shit, nah. I don't think I'm getting this burger, y'all. It is still. Why do people still be? This hole is long. This line is long as shit. I'm not getting it. I'm not going. It's all right. Nope. I'm not getting that. So I guess I'm gonna go and get a 4 for $4. Boy, I'm trying to tell you. This is a shame how long that line is. How many people still trying to get these chicken sandwiches? I had got one already, you know, and I told y'all how I felt about it already, you know. It was a real good burger. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna put a cap and hold you. But is it worth waiting in line 2 to 3 hours or getting shot over? Cause I've been seeing people getting shot and stabbed and everything for a chicken sandwich. Is it worth it? Hold on, let me get a good. Is it worth it? No, not at all. It's not worth getting shot. Not worth getting stabbed. Not worth waiting in line for 2 to 3, 4 hours. It's not. So the people that do that, y'all crazy as shit, because it's just a hype. And like the sandwich was out like a whole year before it got hyped. So y'all just be doing too much, way too much. But that's all right. Yeah, we about to get some food. I'm gonna get a 4 for 4 and call it a day. Once again, because I sure did get back on this camera like I was doing something else. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so y'all can be notified for when I make another lit ass video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I totally had the music on like we could just do that. Yeah, that is a no. Let's see. And I don't know why this part is like that either. I think I gotta scrub it better. But yeah, y'all, that's the car. It looks way better compared to, you know, when I first showed y'all, of course. Told y'all he did 3 wheels. Yeah. She clean. Now I'm about to go eat.
I got a full cup, so it's poppin'. And I keep the tug, yeah, that's true enough. Thing full of nuts, I'm saying watching shit. I got a bad bitch since I'm talking this. Shawty, she mad thick, keep it cautious. She love when I smash it. Got a habit, I might crash it like I'm driving. Never been shady, knowing I don't rock.